The graph of f dash, the derivative of the given function f is shown above. The domain of f is an open interval 0 to d. So f domain is 0 to d. Which of the following statements is true? This is the graph of f dash. This is not the graph of f. F dash is 0 at A, f dash is 0 at C. Very good. Very good. Now come to the options. F has local minimum at x is equal to C. Might be correct. But we know when the function has local minimum and local maximum according to the first derivative. When does the function have local minimum? If the slope is, suppose at C is my critical point, to the left of C it should be negative, and to the right of C it should be positive. Slope is positive, slope is negative. That is what we have discussed, right? So if I take point C, to the left of C means this part, we have reverse. So C plus and minus. Who will get good scores? Who have so much clarity the way I'm explaining? You should have why other options are wrong. This option is correct because of this. No. Should clearly have why other options are wrong. So option A would have been correct if they said f has local maximum at x is equal to C, because what is the meaning of local maximum? Slope is positive, then 0 and negative. So it is changing from positive to 0 to negative. If something is changing from positive to negative, if something is changing from positive to negative, it will have local maximum. So C has local maximum because it is changing from positive 0 to negative, but not local minimum. So definitely A for Agra, A is definitely not correct answer. I hope everyone understood. Now come to the option B. F has local maximum at x is equal to B. So this is not even f dash x is equal to 0. It's not even a critical point. You should not say this graph is highest here. They'll mark it as f dash x has local maximum or local minimum. So it's no way of discussing, no point in discussing local maximum at x is equal to B. Okay. Yeah. And on B, both the sides it is positive and positive. So it's meaningless to speak maximum or minimum at x is equal to B. The graph of f has a point of inflection at a comma f of a. Graph has a point of inflection means the function is concave up till here and concave down till here. You mark as gone case. This is the graph of f dash. This is not the graph of f. Hope you are understanding what I'm saying. Correct, right? So then why option C is wrong? If you see the graph is in the graph f dash is negative. F dash is negative. I'm looking at point C here at A. So f dash x is negative, and to this f dash x is positive. Correct, right? So f dash x is coming from here, f dash x is positive, and here f dash x is negative here, and to the above f dash x is positive. So what is the meaning of f dash x is negative? Function is decreasing. F of x is decreasing. Here the function is increasing. F of x is increasing. Indirectly, A is a local minimum point. It is changing from negative to positive. Negative to positive, it is changing means it is a local minimum. A is not a point of inflection. A is actually, the point is, it is a local minimum point. It is not a point of inflection. That is the reason it is wrong. If you see option D, the graph of f has a point of B comma f of B. So f dash is increasing till B and decreasing after this. What is the meaning of function is f dash is increasing, f double dash x is positive. What is the meaning of function is decreasing, f double dash x is negative. So function is changing from concave up to concave down, or anything concave down to concave up is also my answer. So f double dash x greater than 0 to less than 0. So B is my definitely point of inflection. B is the point of inflection. B is my point of inflection, because f dash is what is happening, it is increasing. Means what is the meaning of increasing? What is the meaning of f of x is increasing? F dash x is greater than 0. Here f dash x is increasing means f double dash x is greater than 0 means function is concave up. Here less than 0 because function is decreasing. So concave up to concave down. So this is my point of inflection. Which is my point of inflection? So B for Bangalore is my point of inflection. I'm clear. So answer is definitely D for Delhi is correct. Now let us see why elephant is wrong. The graph of F is concave up on the open interval C comma D. So between C to D is saying function is concave. Just now we discussed. So function is decreasing. This is decreasing function. So f dash x is decreasing means f double dash x is less than 0. So it should be concave down, not concave up. The graph of is concave down on the interval C comma D might have been correct, not concave up. So when I'm so clear in my thoughts, no one can say that our approach cannot be correct. You'll be confident when you are answering the question. So answer for this question should be D for Delhi should be your perfect answer because the function is increasing to decreasing to. So concave up to concave down. That should be your answer. So answer is your answer is what is your answer?